Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we are explore how to create a business corporate portrait using Smart Sharpen in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and load a corporate portrait. I pause because people represent business identity. I duplicate the layer first. I open Smart Sharpen and zoom in to facial details. I increase amount carefully. I adjust radius to protect skin softness. I reduce noise to keep the portrait natural. I toggle preview and feel professionalism increase. I zoom out and see confidence in the image. The business portrait now feels trustworthy and polished without looking edited. I stop when clarity supports personality, not perfection. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing.